lot of definition, right? Which are around cloud.
Can you please get your PPT in full screen mode?
Okay.
Yeah. This is fine now.
Yes. Can you now see? Okay. So what is the cloud, right? So just to make it very simple, there are a lot of definition nowadays on web and internet, right, about the cloud. So I try to make it like bit simple. The cloud is a set of services and technologies. Okay, that enable the delivery of computing services, and that too over the internet, right, and in real time. Okay, and it allow end user to instant access to data and application from almost any device available which has internet access. Okay. To define cloud, right, there are certain characteristics which need to be followed, right? So if I say a certain service is a cloud service, there should be some characteristics. So let me see like what are the main characteristics. It is sold on demand, typically by the minutes or on hourly basis. Right? So let's say it's a service, right? It is elastic, so user can have as much as or as little as services as they want at any given point of a time. So they can demand more, or if they want to cut their resources, they can even ask for that also. The services is fully managed by the provider. So as I said, in cloud computing, right, it's actually outsourced kind of a service, and the consumers need nothing but a personal computer and the internet access. So as long as a customer or the user have internet access, he can connect to cloud computer resources. So nowadays we can see like